Representing the island province of Catanduanes in his first term, some people say that he is quite young in the world of politics. However, his visions and projects at work in the island say otherwise. Being a representative for Catanduanes, a place generally known to people as a province battered by typhoons, it is the goal of Congressman Cesar Sarmiento to change the perception of people. One of his visions for Catanduanes is for it to be a prime tourist spot in the Philippines. He is firm in his vision to complete the Codon-Roro Port as he believes that it would spur economic development in the island province.
Alam mo Maan, itong place na ito ang barangay Codon. Ito, naumpisa na ang pagpatayo ng Roro Port. Hindi pa ito kumpleto. This will need this same length para makapunta dun sa deeper portion para makadaong ang mga ferry boat. Ang significance ng Codon-Roro Port ay napakalaki sa pag-asenso ng Catanduanes. Kasi ito ang area or point na very near to Gota Beach sa Camarines Sur. Alam mo naman ang Gota Beach, yan ang puntahan ng mga turista. Sa ngayon, ang pagpunta dun sa Gota Beach, it will require you ng almost 5.5 hours. But there is an alternative route as I discussed to you while on our way here, na the alternative route which is shorter, less than 2 hours, is via Catanduanes. Di ba kanina sumakay tayo sa eroplano? That is almost 1 hour. From the airport to this place, less than 30 minutes. And then once na matapos ito, from here, doon sa Gota Beach, nakikita nyo yun, mga less than 45 minutes. So napakadali. Now, ang effect nung pag natapos ito, yung mga turista bago pumunta ng Gota Beach, mag-i-standby, will try to explore the beauty of Catanduanes. Then, ang mga turista habang nag-iikot, syempre, they'll be forced to spend their money and that will be good for the local economy. Ang asset ng Catanduanes is the place itself, being an island. Now, if Catanduanes will be considered as a tourist destination later on, so gaganda ang local economy. We'll be able to produce entrepreneurs. We will encourage college graduates to become businessmen. No? Kakain yan, titira sa inn, iikot, bibili ng souvenir, and that will help the economy of Catanduanes.
So, Kapitan, ano po yung magiging epekto po sa municipality kung makumpleto na po yung Roro project ng Congressman?
Marami. Sa ang unang-una, yung barangay namin baka maging bayan. Ganun. Tapos, siyempre, yung mga tao rito, magkaroon ng mga trabaho. Siyempre, iba na kanso yung una at saka yung magkaroon ng trabaho yung mga tao. Magpermanente na yung mga trabaho nila. Baka may, siyempre, medyo angat-angat yung buhay. Ganyan.
Another project that Congressman Sarmiento wants to finish is the road concreting project of municipalities. Through this, he believes that the mode of transportation of people will be easier and more convenient.
Alam mo Maan, yung national roads, yung dinaanan natin, talagang may regular funding yan. Every year, coming from the Department of Public Works and Highways. Now, ang concern, yung mga kalye na nasa sulok-sulok tulad nito, hindi ito pinuponda ng national government. Kaya, malaking bagay ang PDAF ng congressman, yung Priority Development Assistance Fund. May hard yon portion and soft portion. Ito, pinunduan ko ito coming from the hard portion para makatulong tayo sa mga barangay na nasa sulok. Hirap na hirap sila, lalo na summer. Pag nagbabiyahe sila, nako, parang nagsashampoo sila ng alikabok. Kaya sa aking pag-iikot sa mga barangay, doon ko nalalaman ang tunay nilang pangangailangan.
The widening of the Port of San Andres is a project that Congressman Sarmiento requested to the Philippine Port Authority or PPA. Through this project, it would greatly help Catanduanes for the mode of trade will be easier and more accessible.
Ang project na tumaan, project to ng PPA, Philippine Ports Authority. Nandito tayo sa San Andres Port. Dati, masyadong makipot ang daan dito. So nahihirapan yung mga sasakyan na magmaniobra. So ni-request namin sa PPA na i-implement ang project na ito para ma-widen. So ang tawag nito is backup area. So parang reclaim, tatambak para maluwag na diyan yung ano. Para dati ito tubig ito dati. So ganyan, it's about 3,000 square meters para ang movement ng cargos at passenger madali.
Congressman Sarmiento is not deaf to the basic needs of his people that needs to be addressed. One of the most important projects that he pushed for is his water system project that now conveniently brings water to the homes of far-flung barangays in Catanduanes.
Dati po ba, Nay, pag yung kuha ng tubig, gano'n po kahirap?
Mahirap, talaghigib.
Talagang,
Saan kayo nag-iigib?
Saan po kayo kumuha ng tubig?
Doon sa kabila.
Nagkaano pa
Kuha
kayo?
namin hanggang dyan, o yan o saan.
Nagbabangka pa kayo?
Hindi. Naglalakad yan dati.
Pero mahaba po yung lakad niyo na.
Oo, tinubuhan namin hanggang dyan. Andyan kami nag-iigib lahat.
Kung masama ang panahon, paano yun?
Ano?
Kung malakas ang dagat.
Nahirapan lalo na nung yung malalagyan na namin ng tubo. Pag binabagyo, palaging nasisira.
He reaches out to the people of Catanduanes through the multipurpose halls that he builds in almost all schools in the province. His multipurpose hall project that now counts to 15 has helped the schools in Catanduanes as school activities are done more conveniently given the space and comfort that the multipurpose hall provides.
Ma'am, gaano po ka-importante yung build ni Congressman na multipurpose?
Ay, sobrang importante po. Kasi sa school, pag po, nung wala pa nung multipurpose, talagang mahirapan po ang parents natin maglagay ng mga yung temporary po na tent. Kasi para hindi hindi tayo mainitan, maulanan. Sa ngayon, with this multipurpose, talagang we are safe na to conduct activities, rain or shine, sabi ko nga, the show must go.
For Congressman Sarmiento, he considers every project important and equally essential as the other. No matter how small or large the scale of the project is, he still makes it a point to put his attention to the project, for he believes that the people greatly need it. Just like the bridge he funded in the market of Virac, Catanduanes for the safety and comfort of the people.
May school dyan, Virac Central Elementary School. Naglagay din ako dyan ng multipurpose. So ang bulk ng estudyante na nag-aaral dyan, dito sa area. Ito ang area ang tinatawag na Ilawod, kung saan ako lumaki. So para convenient naman sa mga bata na kaysa iikot pa sila ng malayo, may existing hanging bridge dito pero matagal nang nasira. So to make it more convenient and comfortable, lalo na sa mga, kasi maliliit na bata, ni-restore ko ito para makaiwas sila dun sa malayong dadaanan.
Unang-una, yung mga mag-aaral dito sa Central Elementary School, yung mga bata hindi na pupunta dun hindi na sila maglilibot, ano na yung mga iwasan na yung aksidente, dahil adaanan mga ito ng mga sakyan. Dito, magsusurkat na sila dito, kaya safety sila. Maraming salamat kay Congressman.
Congressman Sarmiento aims to be visible to his constituents, for he believes that in being visible and hands-on in the province, he will know the needs of the people and be the one who will directly hear out their concerns. Coming up on Philippine Biography, get to know more about Congressman Sarmiento and his pioneer project that shows his passion for the environment. Witness what he does in the House of Representatives out of love for Catanduanes when Philippine Biography returns.